March is my birthday month, and to celebrate, I'm gonna make my favorite birthday cake. It's a confetti cake with a twist. It's gonna have layers of ice cream, marshmallow frosting, and a lot of little goodies on top that's gonna make this an ultimate birthday cake. So the delicious ingredients that goes into this cake are unsalted butter, cake flour, sugar, vanilla and almond extract, whole milk, baking powder, egg whites, and of course, confetti. The reason why we use egg whites is because you want your cake to be as white as possible. This is gonna help your confetti really pop. And when you slice into that cake, it's gonna be like a party on your plate, and it's gonna transport you back into your childhood. We're doing things a little differently. I've already pre-made this cake. For instructions on how to make this cake, check out in the description below. But what I really wanna focus on is all the fun stuff. Cutting the cake, the layers of ice cream, the frosting, and all the delicious goodie stuff that's gonna go on top that's gonna make this the ultimate birthday cake! All right, I love this part. It's time to get our hands dirty. We're going to cut and layer our cake, but before you do that, you wanna make sure that your cake has fully cooled. And if it looks a little smaller, like it shrunk, don't worry, shrinkage is perfectly normal and perfectly healthy. Tools you'll need to cut your cake will be a long serrated knife or a cake leveler. I got this one at my local baking store for about $10. And this is how you do it. Digging. All right. And now we split the two cakes and voila, look at that. Beautiful many colors. And we're gonna put it in our cake. Ooh. I'm gonna do long strokes. There we go. Just a tiny bit more right there. So there we go. And that is how we fill in the cake. And that's how we fill in the ice cream to the cake. And now we put the cake layer. So now we're gonna put the top back on, and we're going to freeze it for maybe a couple hours, 1 or 2. And yeah, and then we're gonna just stack all the other cakes together. So while those are in the freezers, here's some fun facts about sprinkles. Sprinkles go by other names too. Sugar strands. If you live in the Northeast, they're called jimmies. Have you ever wondered what they're made out of? Sprinkles are made out of sugar, corn syrup, cornstarch and thickeners, and covered in a wax coating. And they're so delicious. It's frosting time! This is the marshmallow frosting that we're going to be putting on our super duper ultimate birthday cake. This is what we need. Some butter, cream cheese time. Oh, so buttery. Okay. Look at that. And now, jet fluffed. Wow, that is incredible. Ooh. Oh man, this is really good. So right now I'm just scraping the sides so that everything can really combine evenly. Sometimes your powdered sugar will just stick to the sides, and you want to use all of it. I feel like the frosting is still a little too loose, and by adding more sugar, it's going to get thicker. And that's what the consistency That's the consistency that you kind of want. Yeah, this looks a lot better. So we're talking about decorations. These are just a few of my favorite things that's going to make my cake the ultimate birthday cake for me. You guys can go out and put whatever is your favorite stuff onto your cake. But over here, I've got my Lucky Charms because they are magically delicious and they are just my favorite cereal of all time. And over here, I've got my shortbread cookies. I don't know what to say about shortbread cookies. They're just delicious. I've got some premiers, or they're called elephant ears or hearts. And my birthday cake wouldn't be complete without some frosted animal cookies. I mean, look at these. They're delicious and they remind me of my childhood. It's decorating time. All right, guys, so I've already gone ahead and pre-frosted the cake with the marshmallow frosting, and I put it in the fridge. It's settled, it's set, it's hard, and now it's just time to put everything on top of my cake and make this my ultimate birthday cake. Thank you guys for spending time with me, watching me make this cake. I hope you guys got inspired and want to create your very own ultimate birthday cake. Go ahead and comment on the comments below. Give me a like. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that little bell. Thank you guys. See you on the next one. If you guys want to see more of my videos, go ahead and click this little guy right here, or this guy. I don't know which guy.